Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to do something really fun to continue our ocean life lessons. We are going to be making an octopus, and we're going to be counting with this octopus. Why do you think we can count with octopus? Can you tell me how many legs octopuses have? 8. And something you'll learn later on is octo means 8, but octopus, even though there's so many different varieties of octopus, they only have 8 legs. They all have 8 legs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make an octopus. I've cut out the head of the octopus. We're gonna need crayons and markers, glue sticks because we need to glue on how many legs? 8 legs. And I got a Sharpie so I can draw a face, a happy smiley face on my octopus. If you want, you can get a big blue piece of paper to mount your octopus on. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna have the head. I'm gonna glue on 8 different legs. And something that are on all octopus legs are these things called suckers. And that's how octopus are able to move around and they get food. They suction their way around. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna cut out 8 different legs, tentacles. So I'm gonna make them squiggly because if you've ever seen an octopus, they have long, squiggly legs. Okay. Can we think of another animal or species that we've learned about that has 8 legs? Spiders, right? Arachnids, they all have 8 legs. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue on its limb. Take my glue stick. Put a little glue on top, not a lot, just a little. And glue it right to its head. And we're gonna do this with 7 more limbs, okay? All right, friends, check this out. I've got my octopus and all of his limbs attached. What other sea creature does this look like? Does it look like a jellyfish a little bit? But you wanna know why we know it's an octopus? Because of how many legs it has. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna label all of our limbs 1 through 8. You can have mommy help you do this. And I'm gonna write the number 1, just like this. And I'm gonna write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you have any color paper at home, you can do different color limbs if you want. You can make it however you like. So I'm gonna cut out some eyes and I'm gonna glue on some eyes and I'm gonna make a little smiley face because my octopus is very happy today. Check him out. Isn't he so cute? And he's so happy because now is the best part of the lesson. We get to decorate and count out all of his suckers. So what we're gonna do now is if this is the number 1, we are gonna put 1 sucker on the number 1. So I'm gonna take any color crayon I want because I'm gonna make him so funky looking. So I'm gonna do a whole different types of suckers. So I'm gonna take this cool ocean blue and I'm gonna draw 1 sucker on the number 1 because it's the number 1. And I'm gonna make a circle and then I'm gonna color it in. So on the number 2, how many suckers do you think he has on the number 2? You're right, 2. So I'm gonna take seafoam green and I'm gonna draw 1 sucker. And then because it's 2, I'm gonna draw a purple one on the number 2. And so I did 2 circles on the number 2. So now I'm gonna color those 2 in. We're gonna do that through all 8 limbs. And then after, we're gonna count how many suckers total he has. But take your time, draw the circle really carefully, and then color in the lines. Okay, so then I go on to the number 3. How many suckers do you think? You're right, 3. All right, boys and girls, you ready to see Oscar the octopus? Check him out. So I decided to name him. I wanted to come up with a little backstory about him, which you can do too. And I have fully finished all of his suckers. So, do you think we could count how many there are on here? All right, take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Wow, boys and girls, that was a high number to count up to. All right, friends, so you can go through, you can design him however you want. You can mount him on a piece of paper. You can have him hanging in the wind because it's gonna be windy today, so his limbs, his 8 limbs will go with the wind. But have fun, decorate him however you like, and don't forget to count. I wanna see all of you counting. All right, boys and girls, have a great sunny Tuesday.